What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So we're checking in. This is the newest bin, which is comprised of my oldest worms. I had a snail problem in the other bin, and I will show you that in a little bit. I had a banana in the other bin, and there should be a banana in here. I was able to get about half of this container filled. I would probably say an additional like 100 to 150 worms out of the old bin and placed in here. You can see the spots moist. There's the banana. A couple worms. They're when I looked in, when I got this other cup full, they were kind of dispersed through the bin. So I do have a small feeding for them, and I will be adding some more water to the bedding. What I like with this is I don't have any holes drilled, so they can't go all the way through, which is nice. They were crawling through the holes in the bottom. Little coffee filter. I can use that to mark the feeding, which I think I'll do the feeding. Oh, calm down, buddy. Over this way. We did a little salad, so I got some lettuce and some celery. A little bit of eggshell. So I'm going to cover this, and then I'm going to get my spray bottle and spray this down real quick. Get in there. Going with the old school spray bottle. And with this, not sure if you guys know it or not. Like I said, I'm in Delaware, Philadelphia Eagles. Boo. Tampa Bay. That's my team. So I'm going to cover this up. I'll bring you over and show you the old bin. I don't know if you see a little spider in there. I'm going to take a spider over a slug. Yeah, son of a... Don't know if you can see it because it's covered in castings. But another darn slug. I don't know if they're going to enjoy the freezing cold temperatures outside, but that's where this is going. I see a couple baby worms in here. I'll be able to save a few. The rest are going to have to toughen it out outside. There's a pretty nice sized worm. Hopefully you can see the cocoon. Oh, I see another little guy. Okay, I'm gonna grab these guys out and put them in the new bin. Okay, so as I was kind of figuring, I do have some slugs that came in here, which I'm definitely not okay with, but I'll make do. The last video, there was a bunch of helpful comments on things that I can try to do to help alleviate them. So this will be the bin that I guess I try how to get rid of slugs in. So, well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.